Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to pin or save photo from a website on Pinterest. So it's pretty simple. So for this, go to your web browser and type pinterest.com, and after you come to Pinterest you need to log into your account. Logging into your account, the first thing you need is to get the link of the photo. Like if you want to pin or save a photo from a website to Pinterest, you need to get the link of the photo. For example, if you're trying to pin a photo of Instagram, you need to get the link of that photo. So after getting the link of the photo, basically follow these steps. You can click on this plus button over here and click on create a pin. And on create a pin, there's a save from website button over here. Click on it and enter the link of the photo. And after entering the link of the photo, click on this arrow over here. And as you guys can see, the link of the photo takes me to the photo, and I can just click on the photo to confirm this is the photo I want and click on add one pin. And over here, this photo is pinned. Now I can add a title to this photo over here saying, and click on save over here. Click on it. Boom, I just saved or pinned a photo from a website on Pinterest. And this photo is from my Instagram. I grabbed the link from there. So yeah, now click on see it now. That's basically it.